Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this tote bag from Bagsmart. And so this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in getting a tote bag. And so the reason why my wife really likes this is because the outside material is kind of like outside proof or weatherproof. And so what I mean by that is you can see here, it's made of like some sort of plastic. And with it, first on the side, we do have a handle strap. So this right here is going to be able to be put for the telescopic handle and carry on luggages. In addition to that, you've got an open pocket here. Likewise, on the other side, you just have a flat surface, and then you have another open pocket here as well. Now, towards the bottom of the bag, I like to call this compartment that you see right here is like an expandable section. So how it works is that this bag can actually expand downwards. So it actually adds about, I'd say 3 to 4 inches of extra space by pushing it downwards. So this is going to become really useful for those airlines where all you have is a personal item. Now, in addition to that, if you open up the main compartment of the bag, what you have here is that you do have a divider. You have a spot for your laptop as well. And you also have on the side here some organizational pockets. So you have a pocket over here and a pocket over here. So overall, I'd say that this is a really good bag when it comes to weekender bags. It's also a good bag when it comes to you going on those personal item only flights. And with it, I check it out. I mean, it's really durable. It feels great. The handle is just looks like this right here. And I've had no problems with it whatsoever.